My name is Stephen Pierpaoli. I'm a urologist at Associated Urological Specialists in the south suburbs of Chicago. I graduated from Medical College of Virginia about 20 years ago. I did my urology training at Loyola University in Maywood. My mom is a nurse, retired, and my dad was, and still is, but doesn't work. He was the director of pharmacy at Rush University. It's an interesting question. I was going back, I was with my kids the other day, and I was in 5th grade, and I drew this picture. I was at an operating table, and the quote underneath it, and it was obviously a stick figure. I'm not an artist, and it said, "I will cure cancer one day." I still remember drawing the picture. They said, it's like, what do you want to do when you grow up? I tend to be sort of a joker in the office because I think that breaks the ice. But I would say the way that I look at my relationship with my patients, and I think everyone in my office knows, from my MA to my office manager to my scheduler, that I love to be on time. To me, your time is as important as mine. I think most people will be surprised that I love to cook. Growing up as an Italian, that's the way Italians sort of bonded, at the kitchen table. So you would eat, and we wouldn't have a meal that would last 15 minutes. We'd be there 2 hours, and we'd sit at the table and talk. So I think the corollary between treating patients and cooking is that everything's a little bit different. My oven may be different than your oven from temperature, and it's fine to follow a recipe, but you have to be able to look at things differently. And each person is different. Each disease process is different in you versus me. So I want to always be able to change and do what's appropriate for that particular patient or disease, and it may be different between two people.